Hi, everybody. So there are millions, literally millions of websites out there, and I wanted to share with you some of the ones that I find the most useful and share those with you from time to time. So today I'm going to show you how to unmask some of those short URLs that you find on websites and in emails. Um, so URL shortening is a way to shorten kind of long, complex URLs into much shorter, neater packages that send you to the original underlying URL. There's loads of websites that provide these shortening services like TinyURL and Bitly, for example. Here's a URL that's been shortened using Bitly. The Bitly link, of course, looks much nicer, but for safety, I personally think that you shouldn't click on any short link until you really know where it's going to take you. So you can decide whether it's appropriate or safe or secure for you to take and check it out. So if you check out a free website, which I've opened here, called Check Short URL, this is a completely free website that takes those shortened URLs from web pages and lets you see the original URL, and it determines whether the website contains any malicious software or is a phishing website. So that's just do an example. So here, if I take this shortened URL and just copy that, and then on the Check Short URL website, we just need to paste that in and then click on expand. And then once you've done that, you can see here it's just confirmed the short URL that we used. And here's the long URL that is really sitting behind that and where it would take you if you clicked on it. It takes a quick screenshot for you so you can take a little look before you head over. And it gives you the title tag, all the meta descriptions. And if you want to, you can go directly to it via a search engine. But what I think is really cool, under this security tab, there's a number of known brands like McAfee, Google Transparency, Norton Safe, for example. If you click on Norton Safe, that will give you Norton's view on whether that website is safe for you to go to. So here we are, according to Norton, the eu.usatoday.com link that was hiding behind that short URL is completely safe for me to visit. Simple as that. So this URL, this website's brilliant and is now my definite go-to site for unmasking shortened URLs. See you all in the next video. Take care, everybody.